easy amigurumi, and crochet projects. In this video, you will learn how to add delicate embroidered details to a crocheted egg to create a unique and charming Easter decoration. Watch my other tutorials. I would be grateful if you subscribe to my channel and like my videos. If you haven't crocheted the egg yet, make sure to check out the step-by-step crochet Easter egg tutorial available on my channel. These easy embroidery techniques are perfect for beginners and works with any type of yarn or embroidery thread. DIY crochet kits for beginners are available in my craft store. All links are in the description below this video. Happy stitching! Secure the yarn. Start by stitching the stripes. Alternate short and long stripes. Skip approximately 3 stitches between each stripes. Do not cut off the yarn. Leaf embroidery. Come up at the bottom of the leaf. Then go back down right next, or at the same point where you came up. Come up at the top of the leaf, being sure you leave a loop. Come through the loop and simply pull yarn and it will tighten the loop. To secure the loop, simply go back down on the other side of the loop. This is called Lazy Daisy embroidery stitch. Use this stitch for the rest of the leaves. How to embroider petals of the flowers. Secure the yarn. For the petals, I'll also use Lazy Daisy embroidery stitches. Come up at the bottom of the petal. Then go back down right next, or at the same point where you came up. Come up at the top of the petal, being sure you leave a loop. Come through the loop, and simply pull yarn, and it will tighten the loop. To secure the loop, simply go back down on the other side of the loop. Use this stitch for the rest of the petals. Secure yellow color yarn. For the middles of the flowers, I'll use short straight stitches. Do not pull the yarn too tight. Use short straight stitches to imitate small flower buds. Thank you for watching.